Welcome to Lab Safety, presented to you by Lily Simon, Haley Ostovitz, Alexis Kichelinski, and Sarah Paluch. Today we will be discussing RAMP. The R of RAMP stands for Recognizing the Hazards. Today we will be discussing the no-no-go-go's, which are incompatible chemicals. For example, acetic acid is not compatible with nitric acid, peroxides, and permanganates. Acetic anhydride is not compatible with ethylene, glycol, hydroxyl group containing compounds. Acetone is not compatible with hydrogen peroxide. Ammonium nitrate is not compatible with acids, flammable liquids, powdered metals, and finely divided organic or combustible compounds. Chlorate salts are not compatible with acids, ammonium salts, metal powders, organic or combustible compounds. Iodine is not compatible with ammonia. Hydrogen peroxide is not compatible with combustible materials, copper, iron, and most metals and their salts, or any flammable liquid. Oxygen is not compatible with flammable materials and hydrogen and oils. Sulfuric acid is not compatible with chlorates, perchlorates, or permanganates. Now we will discuss common laboratory hazards. The hazards you should watch out for are acids and bases, biological agents, compressed gases, corrosives, cryogenics, electrical hazards, flammables, halogens, hydrocarbons and volatile organic compounds, and mercury, as well as oxidizing agents and oxidizers and reducing agents, peroxides, and pyrophorics. Watch out, children. Now we are going to discuss the A of RAMP. A stands for Assess the Risks of the Hazards. Before an experiment, you should know what you're working with.
Today we'll be working with Dawn dish soap. We'll also be working with water.
You should also find and evaluate hazard information.
The water? Is that water?
As well as ensure that proper concentrations are prepared. Ensure that all chemical bottles are properly labeled.
What is this?
It's Dawn, just look at the label.
You're right.
Just remember, if it was mislabeled, we could have got really hurt.
During an experiment, use the lowest concentrations and smallest volumes possible for all chemicals.
Fill it to here instead of to here.
Wear appropriate eye protection. Wear proper protective clothing.
Who's wearing the proper lab wear?
I am!
And after moving a chemical from a bottle into another bottle, make sure they are closed properly. After an experiment, ensure that all chemicals are properly stored. Ensure that benches are clean before the next class comes in.
Is it clean?
It's clean.
Hooray!
Now we are on to the letter M of RAM. The M stands for minimize the risks of hazards. Before the experiment, you should carefully develop a list of all chemicals used and quantities needed for an experiment. You should also use appropriate containers for chemical distribution in the lab. During the experiment, during pre-lab instruction, make sure to check if everything is safe. Students and teachers must wear appropriate equipment and clothing. And be aware of others handling chemicals. After an experiment, before the students leave the lab, be sure to take care of any messes and put away chemicals.
What if an emergency occurs?
Number 1, you get chemicals in your eye.
In your eye. You rush over here, put your face down right here, then you turn this water faucet. Demonstration, please.
Oh yeah.
Number 2, if the chemicals swallowed or ingested,
Oh no, she's choking!
I'll call the SDS.
Now we are on to the letter P of RAMP. P stands for Prepare for Emergencies and Uncontrolled Hazards. Always know what emergency procedures are put in place before the lab in case of an emergency. Credits: Lily Simon, film director and voiceover, and squeezy bottle operator. Sarah Paluch, actor, hand model, and co-director. Alexis Kinchelinski, hand model, actor, and writer. Haley Ostovitz, hand model, actor, and writer. Everybody participated in bloopers.
But
Off the chair.
no, we can get.
Working with Dawn Disto and water.
I can't zoom in. Why isn't it letting me zoom in? Flip it. Point to it. Don't get the soap in your eyes, children.
That's bad.
It's very bad. Say that again.
No.
What were you saying?
Got hired as a hand model and I didn't want to do it.
Okay. Excuse me, ma'am. What is labeled on that bottle?
It says Dawn. Is it really Dawn though?
Yeah, that's done. Look at the light.
Haley, listen to me.
All right, so hang on, Haley. After you pop up, and she says, "Oh yeah, it's done. Look at the label." You should look at the camera and be like, "You know, if that was mislabeled, we could have some bad reactions."
So wait, say what are you gonna say again?
So
okay,
you
okay.
ask what it is.
What
You
is
pop
this?
up and
You say it's Dawn. Look at the label. I say, oh, it is Dawn. But
Then
what
you
if it
point to the
wasn't?
camera and say,
You say, what is in this? What's this? That's Dawn. Look at the label.
"Now,
What is this? That's Dawn. Look at the label. Oh, you're right. That is Dawn.
now."
What is this? That's Dawn. Look at the label. Oh, you're right. That is Dawn.
Action.
What is this? That's Dawn. Look at the label. Oh,
Good
you're
thing
right.
it wasn't me.
What is this? That's Haley. This gets worse every. What is this? It's Dawn. Look at the label. Good thing it was. What is this? It's Dawn. Look at the label. Okay. Good thing it was a mislabel. Or else someone could have got hurt. Hey, what is this? What is this? It's Dawn. Just
Get
look
on
at
the
label.
floor. No.
What is this? It's Dawn. Just look at the label. You're right.
Fill it up to here instead of here. Sponsored by Gatorade.
Oh my god. I didn't know what to be. This is not proper clothing for a lab.
Nope.
Your shirt.
Jump around. Shake that booty.
I call the SDS. I got it.
So is nobody gonna help her?
I know, right? What? You're gonna direct.
I'm gonna be like those movie people, a director, I think, right? And do that with their little cameras, back and forth. Beretta's dead. I'm falling off the chair. Okay. Sure that all chemical bottles are properly prepared. Ooh. See, this here, children, is bleach. And that is a cracked poison bottle. We don't like those. Here, Sarah.